What's up? Let me tell you a little story about how we got here. So this is me 2 years ago, the very first video that I ever posted on YouTube, July 3rd, 2020. A week or so prior to this video, I had quit my construction job due to COVID.
No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
And I had about $1,500 to my name. So me, being a logical, responsible 22-year-old, I went out and spent $1,500 on a crappy Honda Civic. I always had a passion for videography, creating things, the process of that from start to finish. So I combined those two and started a YouTube channel centered around cars. The last 2 years have been absolutely insane. I'm super stoked and happy that I decided to take the leap and created this brand, what is now known as Smplbuilds. We're not anything huge. I don't aspire to be the biggest or the best. I've just been having fun. I want to, have a job that I enjoy. And so far we've been able to accomplish some pretty cool things. The accomplishment that I'm most proud of with this channel is we've been able to give away over $10,000 in car modifications to my subscribers, friends, and family. I'm super stoked to grow that number, see how far we can take it, and just keep spreading positivity, giving smiles, helping people transform their vehicles. But of course, there's been many personal projects along the way, or ones that are for the channel. We had the very first one, the white Civic hatch. We had a Ranger camper build. Of course, you can't forget the American Muscle. We had the New Edge Mustang. We had that red E30 that we found in a barn. The VIP project LS400 that is still in the works. But of course, not to forget the second car that we ever bought for the channel, my 2015 Ford Fiesta ST. That car was supposed to be just a flip for the channel, something quick, fun, and a good daily, but found out that I can't sell it with the rebuild title for what I wanted, so I ended up just fully building it. But as a wise man once said, not sure who that dude was, but all good things come to an end. I pretty much spent the last 2 years slowly building this car. It has taught me so much, and things that I wouldn't do again. And of course, I'm definitely going to miss the car, but yes, it is posted for sale. I honestly think by telling myself I would never sell this car, I feel like it was holding me back. And honestly, I'm ready to move forward. And again, to quote another wise man, not sure who he was either, but he said, one door closes, another door opens. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. This has been my dream car for many years. So without further ado, the car that I'm sitting in right now, my 2016 Ford Focus RS. Alright, so here it is, my new to me 2016 Focus RS with just about 60,000 miles. I'm going to talk to you about what's done to this thing already and what I plan to do in the future. It does have the Enkei RPF 1s and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires on it, so this thing really handles like a true track car. We have an intercooler, an intake, and an exhaust. Fabrication is not amazing. They just took off the muffler and kind of messed up with the valve system, so I'm going to have to get that fixed and addressed in the future. On the exterior, we also have some mud flaps, some crappy headlights that need to be swapped out. I'm not going to go crazy on this thing. It does have some tints already, which is really nice. It's got a nice little tint strip. I think I'll keep a couple of those things. But again, this is going to be my new daily driver. I'm not going to go insane on this thing. I'm going to make it tasteful. So that's enough talking about it. Let's actually get behind the wheel and start driving this thing. And I'll give you guys some GoPro point of view driving clips. And hopefully you'll be able to experience a little bit of how much fun this car is to drive. So let's go do that.
People are staring at me like, what is this kid doing? All right. Here we go, baby. I go drive mode. So we got normal, we got sport, we got track. We're gonna put it in track mode. Opens up the valve, which honestly I don't think makes a difference right now because I think the valve is not working, but that's okay. We're gonna put in track mode. It stiffens up the suspension. Buckle up, safety is #1 priority. Let's windows down. Heated seat on because it's a little chilly. Back windows going down so we can get full sound effects. You guys can hear how this sounds. Remember that blow-off valve is going to get swapped out pretty soon. Oh, man. The bigger engine displacement sounds so much better. It's a lot deeper, a lot throatier. And man, it sounds good. It feels good. This thing is a lot of fun to drive. Oh yeah. I see a bridge. You know what that means, boys. Oh. Man. And we're off. I'm not sure where that cop went, so I don't really want to rip it here, but might have to. Boom! Won the first race against the diesel truck. Good job! Good job! I didn't think he was gonna run, but he did, and we had to go for it. Those are fast. Definitely would have been stinking mossed with my Fiesta, that's for sure. Okay, that guy should be hopefully out of the way. Let's have some fun. Boys, and we caught up to this guy, so we'll hang back a little bit for the last corner. Back. Holy crap, this thing is sick, dude. This thing is sick. Definitely got to do a tune for sure. I'm thinking maybe JST. Leave your recommendations in the comments, guys. Who should I go with for a tune for this car? Take this corner, rip it. And pulling our little spot right here. Check this out. This view. If my shadow wasn't in the way, that'd be a pretty sick shot. A little farther. What about this? Hey. I want to say thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. That is insane. The milestone is just wild. So I appreciate you guys so much for supporting, liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we got a couple exciting videos planned for this. So thanks again for 100,000. That is insane. Again, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this view, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh, that was dope.